What is a zero-based budget? Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Tony Robbins. So you can accomplish your goals by budgeting your income and keeping an accurate record of your weekly and monthly expenses using a zero-based budget. Using the zero-based budgeting approach, you can account for every dollar of income and expenses for the month. Creating a budget helps ensure that you don't overspend and helps you achieve your goals faster. Income and expenses. At the beginning of every month, I use Excel to track my income and expenses. My husband and I have separate accounts for our bills and groceries, and we have a portion that's set aside in a joint account to cover costs. Every 6 months, we have conversations about our income and expenses and how we need to manage it. So how do you calculate your budget? Here's an example of how I distribute my monthly income and expenses. 15% towards household expenses, 27% towards savings. In my individual savings, I put 18%. And then this is for gifts, treating myself and future goals. 29% goes towards investments like stocks and a retirement account. 10% goes towards miscellaneous expenses like gas, going to the hair salon, and even Starbucks. And then finally, 1% towards life insurance. Now, what happens next? You can create a new budget for the next month and continue the cycle again. Using a zero-based budget, you can achieve your future goals for yourself and your family. You can also pay cash for vacations or any needed upgrades to your home. The end goal is to achieve financial freedom and independence to live life as you see fit. To find out more, visit me at Harris Financial Coaching.